Hello everyone, please welcome and join me G Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you almond potato curry, Badam Aloo Sabzi, which is very easy to make and it's a super delicious and best of all super nutritious. It's a healthy recipe and let's get started. The ingredients: I'm going to use 1 pound potatoes peeled and I washed it and I cut into small pieces. I put it into cold water so they won't get discolored. Super fine almond flour, half cup. 3 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, 1 large green serrano chili, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 diced tomato and fresh cilantro, 2 cup water. Spices from my masala dabba. Get a fry pan. I'm going to start gas. I'll bring olive oil. Half teaspoon cumin seed. Give like a 20 seconds. I'll bring onion. Mix it. Cooking our onion for 1 minute. I'll bring ginger, garlic, mix it well. Cooking our onion, ginger, garlic for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to bring green chili. Mix it well. Cooking for additional 1 minute. It's nicely translucent. I'm going to bring diced tomato and we're going to mix it well. After mixing it well, I'll bring the gas to medium and we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes with the closed lid on medium gas. I'm going to open it, mix it well. I'll bring all the spices. Half teaspoon salt, cumin powder, half teaspoon, grinder powder, half teaspoon, turmeric powder, half teaspoon, garam masala, half teaspoon, curry powder, half teaspoon. Mix it well. And we're going to cook our spices along with our tadka for 1 minute. Cooking our spices for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring the potato, the aloo, and we're going to mix it well. Once the tadka is nicely incorporated with our aloo, with all the potatoes, on medium gas, I'm going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Our aloos are cooking with our tadka and we're going to have another fry pan and we're going to start gas and we're going to bring almond flour. On medium flame, we're going to cook it. Keep stirring so it won't get burned. Cooking our almond flour for 3 minutes, start to change the color. And I'm going to turn off the gas. So I'll put this one on the side. On the other side, our potato cooking for 3 minutes on medium gas. I'll start a pan. Mix it well. After mixing it well, I'm going to bring the almond flour. Mix it well. After mixing it well, I'm going to bring 2 cup water and mix it well. Once it's nicely mixed, we're going to cover with the lid on medium flame. We're going to cook it for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it and then I'm going to stir it once. Cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to open the lid and we're going to stir it. Our potatoes, as you can see, it's nicely cut through. We're going to cook additional 5 minutes on medium flame. Altogether cooking for 10 minutes. I'm going to start the fan and I'll open it. Mix it. I'll bring cilantro. I'm going to bring the gas to low, which is a simmer, and we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to let it simmer for 2 minutes. Cooking on a simmer for 2 minutes, I'm going to turn off the gas. We're going to open the lid and dish out. I get my serving bowl. Healthy, nutritious, delicious almond potato recipe is ready. It's very rich and it's very tasty. Badam Aloo Sabzi. Please try it and you're going to like it. Please comment below how it turned out for you. You always can serve with roti, chapati, naan, fulka, prantha and with rice flour. So please try it, and if you like this dish, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.